Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to post my Instagram story, and this is that message waiting for connection. But here my internet works normal, then why it shows this kind of message and how to get rid of this error message. So before going to the solution, first of all, why this issue happening? And this is occurs for two possible reasons. And the first one is, if maybe this Insta server have any problem, it shows this kind of message. So just visit this website and it will show you if this Insta server have any down issue or not. And the second one of the reason is due to your network settings, which means that if you are using the Wi-Fi network, first of all check that Wi-Fi router as well as fiber modem indicators if it is shows any warning signal or not. So if maybe your fiber modem shows any warning signal problem with your fiber cable, like fiber cable is broken or lost their signal. So otherwise, if this Wi-Fi router shows any red color warning problem with your DNS server, so just call your service provider. At same time, if you are using the mobile data network, just on time reset your APN settings. So once you check I mentioned steps and one time clear this Insta app data. So we simply long press on that Insta app icon and click on this circle icon. So here you can go to storage and finally click to clear data. So after you clear this app data, and don't forget to restart your Android mobile. So after the restarting is completed, and again try to post the same Instagram story. So I hope this method will work for 100%. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.